In this video, we will know more about FPV Cinewhoop from the DJI. They called it Avatar. DJI posted the video about the official announcement on the 25th of August. In this video, you can hear the noise of a Cinewhoop motor. I can't confuse this sound with anything because I've been using different Cinewhoops for the past 2 years. For those of you who don't know, Cinewhoop is a separate FPV branch. The drones have propellers protection, also known as DACs. These drones are usually used indoors among different obstacles to make smooth cinematic shots. But its main purpose is to make a one-shot video. This technique was first used by Robert McIntosh. He disassembled a GoPro, attached it to a mini drone and captured an amazing video, which GoPro later posted on their YouTube channel. You'll find the link in the description. Basically, Robert McIntosh made the first predecessor of the DJI Avatar. As you can see, I have lots of different Cinewhoops, designed by leading FPV companies on the market. And they all look quite similar to DJI Avatar. So DJI didn't invent something new, they just upgraded what's already on the market. Let's see what the DJI came up with this time. Normally, Cinewhoops don't have sensors. The flights are manual. I need to control the drone and keep it positioned. If I let go of the sticks, it will fall. But Avatar's main advantage is that it has bottom sensors for soft landing, hovering, and keeping the constant altitude in the stabilization mode. This will allow beginners to make complex flights among obstacles. FPV one-shots will be much easier. By the way, you can check how I make these kinds of videos on my channel.
Здорово! Привет! Заезжай! А вот ты где? Попался.
Normally, Cinewhoop can stay in the air for about 7 minutes. It says that Avatar has a flight time of 18 minutes, but most likely it will have around 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, this time DJI made a charging hub with 4 battery slots. Usually they make it with 3. This means that the flight time might be short. Usually, Cinewhoops can handle a minor crash, and you can continue flying. But you can't say that about DJI FPV drones. This time, engineers listen to their customers, and you can easily change the propeller's protection.
I'm coming to the wave, and here, whoop, that little shit, that little drop here just hit the drone, and that was the reason why it crashed into the water.
Also, Robert McIntosh developed the stabilization program for FPV flights, captured with a GoPro camera. Majority of FPV pilots use this program. DJI stabilization is incomparable with what the GoPro has to offer. That's why professional videographers mount a GoPro on the DJI FPV drone. use GoPro Bones with the Cinewhoops. They are powered from the drone's battery. So the question remains, is the new camera from Avatar corresponds with the GoPro? If not, it will be just a toy, because it won't be able to lift a full GoPro, and there would be no way to power the GoPro Bones. Also, DJI are presenting new goggles. They are much smaller, and this will make FPV hobby even more popular. Thank you friends for watching. Please comment if you want to buy the new DJI Avatar. Soon I'll make a full review on the new Avatar drone. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss it.